Is your cat at risk from bird flu H5N1? Let's find out. Hey, cat lovers, did you know that recent cases have shown that cats can get infected with bird flu or H5N1? Stay tuned to learn how you can protect your feline friend. What is H5N1 bird flu? H5N1, also known as avian influenza, is a strain of bird flu that mainly affects birds. However, it can spread to other animals, including cats, through contaminated environments or food. Recent cases of cats testing positive for H5N1. Recently, several domestic cats have tested positive for H5N1 after coming into contact with infected wild birds or contaminated pet food. This has raised concerns among pet owners across the US and beyond. Symptoms of H5N1 in cats. If your cat shows signs of illness such as lethargy, loss of appetite, coughing, or fever, they could be infected with H5N1. It's important to get them checked by a vet immediately. How to protect your cat from H5N1. To protect your cat, limit their outdoor time, especially in areas where wild birds are present. Also, avoid feeding them wild birds or contaminated food. Make sure their food and water bowls are kept clean and free from contamination. Is H5N1 a risk to humans? While H5N1 is primarily a threat to birds and some mammals, including cats, the risk of transmission to humans is low. However, it's always good to be cautious and keep your pet's environment clean. Conclusion and call to action. So, while the risk is low, it's important to stay informed and protect your cat. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more updates on keeping your cat safe and healthy.